Hey guys, what's up? Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with a little HO scale rolling stock update. I haven't done one of these in a while, and I apologize. These couple of cars, this one I've had for a couple of months now. It's a Norfolk and Western hopper with KD knuckles and also trucks as well. I found this at my local train shop, and it was custom weathered, and it looked really, really cool. And I figured it would look good with the 1629 and the 920. Now, this is what I'm very most proud of. The container car is a trailer train, 48 foot, that's made by, looks like Athearn Tooling. I picked this up at my local hobby shop, and I also ordered a 40-foot container from Walthers. The CMA CGM Globe logo, excuse me. And this car actually goes around my curves, which I'm very, very pleased with. I have done some testing with it. It goes around the curves with no problem at all. This is my first one. I'm interested in CMA CGM and also the container cars, and I figured have one of these for the layout. This will be the first one I've ever owned. Don't know if I'm going to expand with these, but I always wanted a little taste of this because one of my favorite trains is stack trains. And plus, I film some every now and then, so it looks cool. And the CMA CGM logo of the Globe is actually my favorite logo out of all of the logos that CMA has had. It reminds you of the UPS logo from the 1970s till about 2004, 2005. Yeah, I mean, these are made by Walthers, and they just come out like this. I want to give you guys a little closer look of this. It looks really, really cool. Walthers did a wonderful job of this. Look at the detail on this container. I am so impressed with the little rivets and the container and even the doors as well. You can see the detail is just magnificent on this thing. And as we come on back to the container car, Athearn did a wonderful job of this with all this separately applied details with the steps, the brake royal with the air tank, as well as the inside of the container car. It literally looks like the real deal. And you have all this grid decking that's all over the car, which looks absolutely stunning. So I'm just going to set the container back in there like this. And there it is. And I'll bring the hopper back up here for another look. And these two pieces were used, and I found this in the used rolling stock section, and it looks pretty awesome. Both of them look very, very awesome. This car had a missing spacer, so I took an old spring that was used to repair the 145 Gateman and was able to cut a couple of sections out and made a small spacer for it. So, and that works perfectly. So that's just a little rolling stock update that I have. I'll put both of these in revenue service, and we'll be rocking and rolling with these. So anyway, guys, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'd like to thank you all so much for watching.